Polish up the chrome, put a shine on the hood. The sun is out, baby, and Crosley's looking good. There's a little red Crosley rolling down the street, with a gleam in the grill and a swing in its feet. A blue one's coming and it's looking mighty fine. When the sunshine hits it, boy, does that color shine. Oh, those Crosley colors shining in the sun. Red and blue and yellow, aren't they something fun? Green and black and silver, every shade's a dream. Put them all together, now that's a Crosley scene. Here comes yellow like a ray of sunshine, rolling down the boulevard and looking mighty fine. Green one's got a sparkle that'll catch your eye. When a Crosley comes around, you just gotta smile. Red, ba-da-da, blue, ba-da-da, yellow, ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Which one's gonna catch your eye? Everyone. Everyone. Those Crosley colors shining in the sun. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Red and blue and yellow, aren't they something fun? Yeah, 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 yeah. Green and black and silver, yeah, yeah. Every shade's a dream. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Pull one all together, now that's a Crosley scene. One, ba-da-da-da. Yellow one, ba-da-da-da. Yellow one, ba-da-da-da. Which one's gonna catch your eye? Everyone! 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 Wait, one! Oh, those Crosley colors shining in the sun. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Red and blue and yellow, aren't they something fun? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Green and black and silver, yeah, yeah. Every shade's a dream. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Put them all together, now that's a Crosley scene. The sun's on the fenders, the chrome splashing bright. Every little Crosley is dressed up just right. From the morning meet up till the setting sun, there's a color. Everybody come on, pick your one.
Is it red?
Yeah.
Is it blue?
Yeah.
Maybe yellow.
Oh, you know.
Well, whatever color, get your motor running.
Hey, shine Crosley, let those colors glow. Sunshine on the fenders, now we're ready to go. Red and blue and yellow, green and black and white. Every little Crosley is a beautiful sight.